Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a green screen on TikTok. Stay tuned. In this scene here, you're going to see my face. You're going to click on effects until you see this green background with a play button in the middle. For example, it gave me a fireplace as a video. You should see your head floating in the air. And now I'm just decreasing the size of how it's showing me. And I could either drag myself up to the top right to show the video or picture, to the top left, to the bottom left. Here I'm going into the bottom right. In the middle now I'm just basically playing to show you a demo, and I could point like how you see some people point to show you a certain time of the video or to point out these things that you may not have noticed. And now I'm just making myself tiny so that you could pay more attention to the video instead of me. In this footage here, you're gonna see me giving you a proper rundown on how to do the green screen from beginning. By clicking on the plus, you should see yourself like how I see me, and you click on the video again with the play button in the middle, and that plus in the middle is showing you other clips from your own photo album that you could use to put behind there. I'm still using this as an example what TikTok gave me to have a proper demo of the video. Here I'm just playing around so you could get an additional self-explanatory way on how to do the green screen on TikTok. Please leave a comment down below if you would like to know how to do a green screen using a picture instead of a video. Now I'm just playing around, going in every corner. I just made myself super tiny so you can't see me. And now I'm recording because this is the part here that matters the most, and I'm pretending to talk like as if I'm gonna post this on my actual feed. And you click the check in the bottom right. You can add it to your story, which highlights blue, or next to post it on your page. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you do a green screen on TikTok. Thank you. Stay here for next time.